Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship on AliExpress. First of all, in the AliExpress application, you should search for products with good reviews, reliable sellers, and fast shipping. I highly recommend you to save links of the products and images as well, just for your convenience, because you will need to upload those images later. And then you need to set up your own online store using platforms. For example, it could be Instagram shop, TikTok shop, Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And when your store is ready, you should upload the product photos that you saved earlier and write clear and simple description of your item that you sell. Set a price that covers the AliExpress cost, shipping, and of course your profit. And when a customer places an order in your shop, go back to AliExpress and place the order using your customer's name and address. The AliExpress will ship the item directly to your customer, and that's basically the convenience of this drop shipping. All you need to do is provide your customer with tracking information, also give any updates on your shipping, on your delivery, and handle any questions if they come up as soon as possible. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.